What is good, y'all? So I literally just got back from Best Buy. I just picked up this LG UltraGear. And yo, I just wanted to bring y'all along for the unboxing. I'm sorry I'm kind of doing this in the corner. This is like the max distance my camera can get. So I was just like, all right, let's do it. Do it on the floor, we're gonna get this done, right? So let's just do it. Cause honestly, I wanna use this thing. So I'm gonna do a review after a couple weeks. After doing all my research, all I could find, this looks like the best 1440p 165 hertz monitor you're gonna get for under $500. I was lucky enough to get this for like $400. It normally goes for like $450. I was able to get like a little discount. But let's open it, let's see how it is, and yeah, let's check it out. Hopefully, you know, I got a good angle so everyone can see everything. But it's a big boy, it's a big boy. And the stupidest thing, side note, they put the handles at the top on both sides. Horrible. Let's open this thing. Oh, do not open here. So it tells me not to open on this side. So let's flip it. Open here, haha. All right, let's spin it around, All right, boom. Got my box cutter, slice. Whoops, I messed that one up. And this monitor is a 1440p 165 hertz G-Sync compatible monitor. I use mostly NVIDIA GPUs. I would love to try some AMD ones, but you know, I don't got money just to buy GPUs for fun, and who can find them anyway, right? Let's open up this bad boy. Oh yeah. Let's look. So it looks like the first thing you're gonna see is the back to the stand, the bottom to the stand, all right? Nice. I'm gonna just put those on the side for now. I know I'm gonna have to assemble this whole thing. You got power brick. Yeah, let's open this real quick. Because what I saw in the pictures online, the pictures online personally, oh, hold on, the crinkle, hold on. There we go. Yeah, I personally hate when the monitor manufacturers put the heaviest part of the power brick right on the plug. Because even though it has a ground pin that might help it out, like these big old chungus plugs tend to fall out from time to time. So I would have much preferred it if it just had the brick separately and just had like a smaller plug and then a brick like kind of separately. That's a minor thing. My monitors don't have this one. They have the one I just described with the regular plug-in to the little line to then the hefty brick. That's what I prefer, my preference, not a big deal. You get an HDMI cable. Nice, because this thing has 2 HDMI ports and 1 DisplayPort cable and some paperwork. Nobody's reading that. All right, let's open it up. Yeah. Got some styrofoam. Get that out of here. Oh yeah. All right, I'm gonna lift it up with the styrofoam and kick the box. Yeah, the box is empty. Get out of here. All right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Ooh, so they have it in a sleeve. Oh yeah. They tell you how to open it. Wow. Blah blah blah. One. I can't even see one because it's stuffed in there. So, number 1, open this shit. Oh yeah. We're gonna just. Oh, what the fudge? Oh. Ooh, clean. That is clean. You got the 2 HDMI ports and 1 display port. I believe they're HDMI 2.0. If they're 2.1, I'll put it in the description. Oh man, but this thing is sexy. Look at that. Ugh. I really like the back, even though it's not RGB, but man, you know what you're gonna do. Let's see the stand real quick. Let's put it all together real quick while we're on the floor, right? Let's just do it. These I'm just gonna rip them. Just gonna rip them. Yeah. And trust me, like, yo, I really personally, I did want to do, like, I hope you guys like this unboxing. I wanted to do a little bit better one, but I actually had to trade in my old monitor because I kind of broke it. So that's why I got some of the store credit to buy this one. And like, I kind of need to set this up, so I just wanted to do this unboxing as fast as possible. I am hoping to get a second one of these down the line, but for right now, I just have this one, so I need to hook it up as soon as possible. Oh, what the fudge? What? Oh, the red is the bottom. So it looks like it just goes right on there, and it has thumb screws. Wow, that's nice. That's nice, LG. And they have the like little thumb screws that have the little turny thing. Sorry about the noise. The cats are obsessing over the box. You know how cats get. Maybe you don't, but cats love boxes. So I probably will keep the box for a couple days. But yeah, you just screw those on. Yeah. So this is a little bit chunky. I actually have my Asus PG279Q stand like out. So hold on, let me just grab that so you can see. So I don't like these, like, you know, judder legs, but I am gonna be putting this on a desk base mount, so that's fine. That's actually why this one is like not in use. But this one is definitely heavier, but it has the RGB on the bottom. But thickness wise, yeah, this one seems like it'll be able to go a little bit closer to the wall. Whereas this one, yeah, this one is just a chunky boy. It's a chunky boy. But shoo, mind you, let's see. Let's just pop on the monitor real quick, because that's what you came here to see, not some bogus Asus stand from whenever. All right, yeah, it looks like it just slots on. Yep, most monitors do that same thing, and BAM! You got some sexy monitor right there. That's some sexy monitor right there. Gotta get that plastic. Yo, I'm sorry I'm like rushing through this video, y'all, but like I'm mad excited. And like I said, I do kind of need to hook this up, you know? Man, this thing is beautiful. And like the one reason I say this is the best monitor you're gonna get for under $500 is because one, 10-bit color, two, 1440p 165 hertz. Granted, you can find like 144 hertz 1440p monitors for cheaper, but the fact that this is 10-bit color, and after you calibrate it, it's like pretty color accurate. Even on the box it says 98.3 DCI-P of the color gamut. But when I went online looking up, most people say pre-calibration, you're not getting that great color accuracy, but post-calibration, it is some amazing color accuracy. So I'm definitely gonna do that. I'm gonna follow up with a review in a couple days just for y'all. Since we're getting more subscribers and we are growing the channel, I just wanna throw that out there. Thank you everyone so much. Coming 2022, we're gonna be banging out like 2 videos a week, honestly, like, cause y'all deserve it. Y'all been subscribing, y'all been liking, y'all been commenting. Thank you so much again. We're gonna bang out at least 2 videos a week for y'all. More new products are coming. I told y'all we got products coming, and now we got this LG UltraGear monitor, right? Look at that sexy beautifulness, yo. It is lit. But one thing I have to say, cause like obviously I know people, they watch these videos and sometimes they're like, oh, maybe I wanna get the LG UltraGear monitor. Be careful with these monitors. I bought this one from Best Buy, and they have like 4 models of the same LG UltraGear 1440p 144 to 165 hertz. And on the top, they all look very similar, but they have some very different things going on. So I definitely advise you, if you're looking at getting any of these if you're looking at getting any of these LG UltraGear monitors, please just double check the model number, go on LG.com, and like just look at all the features and make sure you're getting the one you want. And just to make things easy, I'm gonna just get the box right quick, 1 second. Heavy boy. This is the LG 27GP83B. So that's the one I'm using, the 27GP83B. And this is the one that normally retails for about $450 at Best Buy, Micro Center, and the works. Some of them go for like, I think $379, and there's another one that goes for $500. So just make sure you're looking at the features you want and make sure you're getting exactly the one you want. My personal favorite, even of the LG UltraGear, not just under $500 1440p monitors, is this one. I looked through those LG UltraGear monitors like for 2 days. I was looking at the tiny differences between these monitors that are all sold by the same brand under the same name. Super confusing. LG, please fix it. It is so crazy that you go to Best Buy and there's like 3 27-inch LG UltraGear monitors and they're not all the same monitor. Why am I confusing the staff at Best Buy to pick up a monitor that I already bought? Because you guys make them all look the same, but then change the model numbers, but sell them all at the same time. But whatever. I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Once I get some time with this monitor, I'm gonna do a review on it, let you know if it was worth it. The current 27-inch monitor I have to compete with this is the Asus PG279Q. That's why I have the stand there. So I will be, when I do my review, I will be heavily comparing it to that monitor because that is kind of like my creme de la creme monitor that I purchased a long time ago, actually like 4 years now. But I paid $800 for that Asus monitor. So it's so great to see how far we've come, that a 1440p 165Hz monitors, they start way under $500. And this one getting close to $500 but still under $500, in my opinion, is one of the better ones you are gonna find. I really appreciate that you guys are watching this video and valuing my opinion, because I'm telling you, I did so much research into deciding which monitor to pick. Of course, unfortunately, you know, these CES monitors are gonna be coming out. You know, I've seen some of them already, the ROG ones, they look great, but you know, who knows when those will hit store shelves. So until then, this is my go-to pick, the LG UltraGear 27GP83B. I had to read it off the box. I will put a link in the description just in case. Shout out to you guys for watching the video. Thank you again. If you liked the video, hit like. If you disliked it, hit dislike. And yeah, just thank you again. I appreciate you. Subscribe if you want to see more videos because we got them coming. Thanks again. Peace out.